Guys, I'm going to read English newspaper. AAP has turned Delhi into dirty slum. BJP. BJP Rajya Sabha member Kiran Chaudhary on Monday accused AAP of turning Delhi into a dirty slum, saying it was making excuses and blaming others for the bad state of affairs in the national capital, initiating the discussion on the motion of thanks on the president's address in the Rajya Sabha. Chaudhary said UP has lost the faith of the people of Delhi without naming former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. She tore into UP leaders for using condemnable terms like water terrorism, genocide, poison in Yamuna being supplied to Delhi and equating it with the bombs dropping on Hiroshima and Nagasaki during the campaign for Delhi as Delhi Assembly elections. They seem to have lost their senses and are making these statements when they have really realized that after 10 years the people of Delhi are fed up with them for their non performance, alleging that the AAP government did not take up any developmental work in Delhi. Chaudhary said they have not fulfilled the promises that they made to the people of Delhi, and it is shameful. Today, the condition of Delhi has gone from worse to the worst. The state of Delhi, the national capital, is like that of a dirty slum, she claimed. Further, she said that for the namesake, Delhi is the capital of namesake. Delhi is the capital of the country and the world. Only she lieutenants Delhi, but a visit to the interior streets, outskirts, and small colonies of Delhi presents the reality of Delhi, which is full of dirty drainages, overflowing garbage dumps, overflowing sewers, and polluted and stinking drinking water. They should also go there and see what is the condition of Delhi. They will hang their heads in shame, she asserted, terming the condition of the present Yamuna River a cesspool of absolute dirt, toxic element that the people of Delhi are made to drink. She asked, where has the Rs 6,000 crore that was supposed to be used in the cleaning of the Yamuna has been used? Delhi under the AAP government has the highest loss of processed water to the tune of 40-50%. Nothing can be more shameful than this, she added, asserting that Haryana supplies pure drinking water to Delhi through an uninterrupted canal network with no room for contamination. Chaudhary said, I challenge the AAP leader to confirm if this is right or wrong. Seconding the discussion, BJP member Neeraj Sekhar, without naming Kejriwal, wondered can a former CM make such statements that Haryana is sending poisonous water to Delhi. He also asked the former CM to worry about his own future and not worry or comment about the future of the chief election commissioner who would be retiring soon. Thank you guys for watching.